Dear investors, the automotive industry is in a deep trouble after the COVID situation, and the decline was started even before COVID, and COVID was just an add-on the pain of the automotive OEMs. So I speaking about companies such as BMW, Daimler, or Renault. I selected for this video. From the slide, you can see the car production, also the motorcycle and vans are declined heavily, and the decline started even before COVID in 2018. But COVID just add on the pain on the automotive industry. So the decline in 2020, it's already 25%, in motorcycle 21, in vans it's 28 percentage. So therefore, my idea was to select one automotive company which might be a good investment, and my selection was Renault. So Renault is Group Renault is a legally Renault in French multinational automotive manufacturer established in 1899. The company produces a range of cars and vans, and in the past has manufactured trucks, tractors, tanks, buses, aircraft engines, and auto rail vehicles. So the company has also formed an alliance with Nissan and Mitsubishi, and in 2018 was even the biggest car manufacturers, so bumping Volkswagen AG of the top spot. But so not anymore. Renault, Nissan, Mitsubishi is in the top position. So headquartered near Paris, and made of several companies or subsidiaries. So Alpine, the sport cars, Automobile Dacia from Romania, Renault Samsung Motors from South Korea, Avtovaz from Russia, and Renault has 43.4 controlling stake in Nissan of Japan, and 1.55 stake in Daimler AG, because Renault manufactures engines for Daimler's Mercedes E-Class and B-Class cars. Renault owns the automotive financing and automotive distribution and automotive parts, and also has several joint venture, including Oyak Renault in Turkey, Renault Pars in Iran. And it's important the French government owns 50% shares of Renault. So I think even the company is in deep trouble. So they are laying off several engineers and workforce, and also several cost cuts on the way at Renault. So they want to decrease the fixed cost and any cost it's necessary to survive this pain of COVID. So also Renault is in a motorsport, particularly rallying Formula One and Formula E. Okay, and one important thing, together with Nissan, they invested 4 billion in 8 electric vehicles, so they are well advanced in electrification also. You can see from the next chart that Volkswagen is the leader in the industry currently, or maybe Toyota, so changing every time. But even compared to 2018, the 2019 numbers showed at most automotive companies a declining trend. I also looked other companies, how the share price look like, whether it's really deep down. But my selection, based on the quality of the company, it was Renault, and I also like that the French government is behind the company. Okay, so you can like took some information from the financial result and shows that heavy decline compared to 2019. So the group revenues declined 34 percentage or more than 34 percentage in this year. Operating profit declined heavily, and EBIT also declined, so huge decline, and also expenses a little bit increased. And the associated company, it's mainly Nissan. Uh, it's a heavy blown on the company's net income, so they finished at a heavy heavy minus in this year net income. Okay, the global unit sales is also declined in automotive, excluding afterwards, so 36 percentage decline in afterwards. This is Lada basically, so 30 percentage decline, and they have a new service, mobility service, and sales financing also declined 6 percentage. I went to Morningstar and I checked the price earning. 5 years average was around 6, and I use this 6 price per earning to calculate or predict the future price of the company. From Fast Graph, you can see that the company is highly cyclical, and in 2080 the company was in a similar low territory as today. So I expect the company will in the next years, so I think not in the next year, maybe it takes maybe 3 years, but the company will recover, and it might come back in the $100 price or euro price. And this is my expectation. And the dividend is also cut, so it's basically cut to zero. So the company will not pay dividend in the upcoming year, or at least in this year. But I expect the company will not pay in the next year also any dividend. So the recovery will be maybe takes a few years, but the reward is high because from this 20, it's in USD, but it's traded in euro in the Paris Stock Exchange. So it will increase maybe two or threefold. This is my prediction. I don't know whether it will happen, but it happens after 2008, and I think it will happen again. So the company will recover, and if the company recovers and we calculate with this 6 price per earning ratio. So if we just take this year, this 2011, 2012 EPS, the company can go to 60 US dollar, which means we double our money. But we need to invest now, so we need to risk our money. So we need to invest before the recovery happens. If the recovery already happened, it is already too late to invest in this company. I hope you enjoyed my video. I believe in automotive there might be a good risk reward investment, and maybe Renault is one of them. Thank you very much. Bye bye.